Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to leave your comments. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. Today we're preparing green grams with coconut milk, and we have our ingredients here. So start by adding cooking oil into sufuria. Then you can add your carrots, your onions and your capsicum. Then stir them for a while and cover them for about 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, you can now add your smashed garlic and ginger and again mix them properly. Then now let it turn golden brown so that you can add your green grams. So it's time to add our green grams. After adding your green grams, stir for a while. Then you can add salt to a favorable amount. Then after that, again stir for a while. Then you can now add your coconut milk. So after adding your coconut milk, make sure you stir sideways or you stir your green grams till it starts boiling. Then after that, you can now let it boil for about 5 minutes. Then you can now remove it. So after boiling for 5 minutes, you can now remove it. So we have our green grams here. So if you really enjoyed my video, kindly don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.